Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a long time. So I moved and haven't been able to do YouTube in a while, but the package that we were waiting on from Germany just arrived. So we're gonna do a little unboxing of it, some cool parts that I've been waiting on. So I'll show you guys right now. So here we go.
The moment of truth. Oh, we have Noah back there. Hi. We're excited.
So got some glass, headlights. They look pretty badass.
I see big smile. That means you like it. Uh-oh, Noah wants to see.
Oh.
It broke?
This one did not make it. Oh.
What is it?
This made it though. They shattered this one.
Damn. That's crazy.
Hey guys, so first video was the fam too, so my wife and my little man. So we're gonna have to make a claim through the USPS and see what happens after that. I bought the headlights from a buddy out in Germany. It took about a month to get here, so really disappointed that one of them broke. Wish all of them could have come perfectly fine. So, and then the shift knob didn't really fit right, so I had to cut up my old one and then piece them together to get it to fit on properly. So I'll show you guys how that looks on the car, and then be the end of the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the shift knob on the car. Just installed it. Looks pretty nice. Almost got all the wood pieces now. Just need the steering wheel. So need the steering wheel. But that shift knob right there. That is money. Loving all the wood touches in this car. So gonna end the video there. Once I get the new headlights, we'll install those bad boys. Hopefully soon, getting a 20th front bumper for this car. Then maybe like a 337 rear end, and then some R32 side skirts for it. Dress it up, make it look beautiful. So, but that's it for today. Stay tuned for some more content. Hopefully getting a better camera soon, and then making some really cool videos. So, peace.